Hello student, today I will discuss exercise 2.1. The question number first of exercise 2.1 we have already discussed in video 3. Today video I will start from question number 2. What is question number 2? In question number 2 we have given an expression 2 plus x square plus x. We have to find the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Here the coefficient of x square is 1. So coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Solution number 2, second part. Given expression is 2 minus x square plus x cube. In this expression there are 3 terms. We have to find the coefficient of x square. Here in this term the coefficient of x square is minus 1. The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Now solution number, third part of question number 2. Here given expression is pi by 2 x square plus x. Here the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Therefore coefficient of x square is equal to pi by 2. Next question. The given expression is root 2 x minus 1. In this term we have to find the coefficient of x square, but there is no terms having x square, so the coefficient of x square in this expression is 0. So we can say that coefficient of x square in this expression is 0. Now this is question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Okay. Solution. Binomial of degree 35 is x raised to power 35 plus 10. Binomial means there are 2 terms and degree 35 means highest power is 35. Okay. Now monomial of degree 100 is x raised to power 100. Okay. This is a monomial because it has only single term. This is question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. First one is 5 x raised to power 3 plus 4 x to power 2 plus 7x. In this expression or polynomial, the highest power is 3. So degree of this expression is 3. We can write this like this. Given polynomial is this and the degree of given polynomial is 3. Solution number, second part of question 4. Given polynomial is 4 minus y square. Because highest power of this polynomial is 2, so degree of given polynomial is 2. Answer. Solution number, third part of question number 4. Here given polynomial is 5t minus root 7. This is a linear polynomial because highest power of this polynomial is 1. So degree of given polynomial is 1. Solution number, fourth part of question number 4. Here given polynomial is 3. This is a constant polynomial. We know that the degree of constant polynomial is always 0. Because 3 can be written like this, 3 into x raised to power 0. So the value of x raised to power 0 is 1. So we can say that the degree of constant polynomial is always 0. So the degree of polynomial 3 is 0. This is question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. We know that linear polynomial is the polynomial having highest power 1 or degree 1, and quadratic polynomial is the polynomial having highest power 2 or degree 2, and cubic polynomial is the polynomial having highest power 3 or degree 3. So this is first part, x square plus x. The degree of this polynomial is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. X square plus x, this is a quadratic polynomial. And second part, x minus x cube, the highest power of this polynomial is 3. We say that the degree of this polynomial is 3, so this is a cubic polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is 2, highest power is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is 1, that is highest power of this polynomial is 1, so this is a linear polynomial. Fifth part, 3t. 3t is a monomial because it has only single term, and the power of variable is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. R square, this is a monomial as well as quadratic polynomial because it has highest power 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. 7x cube, the highest power of this polynomial is 3, or we can say that the degree of this polynomial is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. And on the basis of term, it is a monomial. All these three polynomial are monomial because it has only single term on the basis of number of terms. Now, this is a new topic, zeros of a polynomial. What is zeros of a polynomial? What is the meaning of zeros? Zeros of a polynomial, the value of the variable at which the given polynomial becomes 0 is called zero of that polynomial. So all the values of the variable of the polynomial at which the given polynomial becomes 0, जिन वैल्यू पर पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, उन वैल्यू को हम पोलिनोमियल का जीरोस कहते हैं. So all the values of the variable of the polynomial at which the given polynomial becomes 0 are called zeros of the given polynomial. If px is if pk is equal to 0, this is what is the meaning of pk? Pk means the value of polynomial p at k is 0. If the value of polynomial at k is 0, then k is called 0 of the given polynomial. Example number 1. Check whether 2 is a 0 of the polynomial this or not. हमें चेक करना है 2 इस पोलिनोमियल का 0 है या नहीं है. If the value of this polynomial becomes 0 at 2, then we can say that this 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So we will check the value of this polynomial at 2. Given polynomial is px, we can represent this polynomial by px. So then px is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1. At x is equal to 2. Value of polynomial is equal to p2. We will put the value of x 2. So we can say that this is p2. Then p2 is equal to, here we would put 2, then it will be 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So it is 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 6 minus 1, and 4 plus 6 becomes 10, and minus 1, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is value of given polynomial at x is equal to 2. Because this value is not equal to 0, or we can say that the value of polynomial at x is equal to 2 is not equal to 0. So 2 is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Because value of given polynomial at x is equal to 2 is not 0. Therefore 2 is not 0 of the given polynomial. This is example number 2. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4. In this question, we will check these two values of x are 0 of this polynomial or not. So, given polynomial is px is equal to x square minus 4. So, we can write this polynomial in the form of px. Now, at x is equal to minus 2, the value of the given polynomial. इस polynomial की value at the value of x is equal to minus 2 is p minus 2 is equal to, here we put minus 2, then minus 2 square and minus 4. We know that minus 2 square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 becomes plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we see that the value of given polynomial is 0 at x is equal to minus 2. So we can write this, the value of polynomial at minus 2 is 0. The value of polynomial at minus 2 is 0. Therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of px, or minus 2 is a 0 of x square minus 4. Now, again, at x is equal to 2. Now we will check at x is equal to 2 the value of given polynomial. The value of given polynomial is equal to p2. Okay. Then p2 is equal to 2 square minus 4. Here we put the value of x 2. So it will be 2 square minus 4. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we see that the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 2 is 0. So we can write this. Therefore, p2 is equal to 0. p2 is equal to 0 means the value of polynomial at 2 is 0. Therefore, 2 is a 0 of px or given polynomial. Now, these are some note point. Constant, note point 1, constant polynomial has no 0. We know that constant, what is constant polynomial? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. All real numbers are called constant polynomial. So constant polynomial has no 0. Point 2, linear polynomial has only 1 0. The degree, if a polynomial has degree 1, then number of 0 is 1. If a polynomial has degree 2, then number of zeros is 2. And if a polynomial is of degree 3, then the number of 0 are 3. So we can say that number of zeros are equal to the number is equal to the number of number of zeros are equal to the number of